Today we're going to look at how we can draw and build our own custom areas within the StrayTrack app. So previously you might be used to having to be conformed to specific areas that have been predefined, but now you can actually create your own custom areas and build your own dashboards that are specific to the area in which you're looking to investigate, invest in, and carry out further analysis on. So today we can see we've already loaded up the default location, which is West New York, New Jersey, and what we're going to do is we're going to focus on building an area that includes half of this area, but also this surrounding part here, which previously you wouldn't be able to do. You would have to look at this area or the area next to it, but what we're going to do is we're going to create an area, half of this, and all of up here as well. So the first thing we want to do is to go up to Draw Custom Location up at the top, and what this will do is this will open up a side panel which will guide you through being able to build your own area. So there's some key elements you want to focus on this side panel, which is at the top. You've got your different areas, so your different buttons that you can select to draw your area. So the first is a square, the second is a rectangle, and the third is a custom location. And then you can use the clear area to scratch what you've done and start again. The second tool you want to be aware of is the fuel gauge on the right hand side, which indicates how many properties are within your selection and if you want to make your selection bigger or smaller depending on how many listings are within it. So we're going to zoom into New York. You can obviously zoom out to go anywhere you'd like, but we're going to focus on New York. We're going to scroll in to West New York, and we can see here this is the part that we're looking to also include in our analysis. So you can choose square or rectangle, and it will draw a shape like this, and you can then just press clear area to get rid of that, or you can use custom, which we're going to do in this case, which allows you to draw a custom area. So we're going to go this area like this, and we can see that the area has come up green, which means good to go to create a dashboard. It means there's enough listings within this area to provide a quality report dashboard. For example, if we were to make this smaller, like so, we can see that there's not enough properties now within that selection to be able to build a dashboard, and we'd have to then create a bigger area. So if we go back to what we had before, you can see we're good to go, so we can just press add or update location, and what this will do is this will then populate the dashboard with that specific location that we've selected, and then you can see up at the top, you can see it says custom location. Please note we also don't provide market grades for custom locations. They're only provided for the set boundaries locations that are pre-built for you. So this custom location is up here. You can edit this by pressing edit, which will allow you to edit the selection and update it, and then you can also save it for future use. So if you want to save it, it says save, and then you can put in your area. So we'll just do tutorial test, press save, and then we can now see up at the top it says custom and it says tutorial test. We can close this sidebar, and then across all of our tabs here it will then apply the custom location rather than the predefined ones, and we can also view map view for this custom location as well. We can see, we can zoom in, we can see the area with all these listings that we've selected. And then if you come up to the top, you can then see under your saved locations, here's the custom locations. So you can come back in a few weeks time, or for example if we come off this and go to say this location here, we can then come back into the bar up here, and we can see that location that we created, the custom one, is now saved, and we can just press that like so, and it will load up that data straight away. So now you have your own custom locations. You can create multiple ones of them, and you can just click straight in. Even if you leave the platform and come back to it, it's all saved right in the dashboard for you.